Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I go by PJ if you're new here. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I installed this beautiful dark brown wig from XAlipearl hair. Of course, this wig already comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached for you. This is their 9x5 unit and my cap size is small. So this unit comes close to my hairline, but not quite exactly all the way down, which is great if you struggle with cutting your lace around your ears. Make sure you keep on watching to see the full install. I'm gonna be taking an alcohol pad and wiping around my hairline right where I'm gonna be gluing down my lace. I typically haven't been wearing ball caps. Honestly, I don't really care for them. The only time I really do a ball cap is if I'm doing a colored wig and you can see my natural hairline through it. But with this dark brown color, it's just gonna blend. Like around here is where you typically can see through my wigs if I was to wear like a colored colored wig. But with all my brown and black wigs, I just do it like this. That's good enough. So I typically like to use two different kinds of melt bands. I like to use a skinny one and then a bigger one. I put this skinny one on first and then I put this one over top. I have had this band on for about an hour now. You don't have to leave it on that long, but I just had something to do really quick. But the longer you do leave it on, the better your lace is going to look. So now I'm just taking my lace tint spray. I don't remember. I think I got this from the hair store a while ago. It barely even have a brand on it. It just says lace tint spray and I'm kind of low-key running out of it. But I just take a makeup brush and put it around my hairline. I kind of like this better sometimes. It looks better to me in person when I use this spray instead of makeup. And then I just take my Got2b glue spray and put it around the lace before I put my melting band back on. So now I'm just going to go ahead and straighten my hair. This hair looks so good when it's bone straight. And honestly, I really only had to do like one pass. I did put heat protecting spray on it before I did this. I learned that when I went to go get my hair done in the tape-ins. The hairstylist told me that I should always be using heat protecting spray even on my weaves. Something that I actually was not doing. Like, look how soft that looks. And this dark brown color actually looks really good. It's the color that I typically stay away from. I normally will only do honey blonde and black. That's it. And sometimes I'll do red. And I used to stay away from the dark brown color because I honestly felt like it just made me look older. But it's actually complementing my skin tone very well. So I did add a few small layers. I typically section my hair off into 4s just so that I can remember which area I cut already. And now I'm just combing out my curls. My hair turned out so cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like and comment. I love reading you guys' comments. You're so supportive. I'm so grateful. And please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.